From Italy, good morning everyone. My name is Francesco Mintrone. The topic of this video is previsualization, a useful system for a truly informed concept to the aesthetic treatment. The constant increase in aesthetic demand, driven by the false images of beauty presented by the media, has resulted in a more and more demanding patient. To avoid creating false expectation and to provide a precise description of the treatment plan, previsualization is useful. The first step to do is an aesthetic analysis with a data collection. This data will be provided to the technician in the way to create a precise workup with all the modifications able to improve the aesthetic of the smile. Once the workup is produced, an impression is made using a transparent silicone. A flowable composite resin is then dispensed into the transparent matrix and positioned in the patient mouth. This technique of previsualization provides a true copy of the planned shape of the teeth, allowing for an immediate evaluation of form, volume, occlusion, and relationship with the surrounding tissue. The preparation starts with the use of calibrated bars to make deep cuts, which guide the axial preparation. The use of calibrated bars allows a precise reduction which is necessary for the technician to fabricate a well-designed final restoration. Previsualization allows the proper use of calibrated bars since the reduction follows the new contour and shape of the teeth, avoiding in this way a too aggressive preparation. As you can see, draw some line to the bottom of the deep cut is useful to drive the axial preparation, avoiding to grain away healthy enamel, essential for the adhesion and longevity of the final restoration. Particular attention should be made to the soft tissue, especially during the finish line preparation. The use of a double zero cord will displace the soft tissue, giving the opportunity to prepare a light shoulder, avoiding contact and consequently bleeding of the surrounding tissue. A second cord, bigger comparing to the first, will give the opportunity to open the sulcus and put in evidence the zone beyond the preparation. In this phase, it really important is to avoid to traumatize the soft tissue during the cord positioning. After the second cord removal, an impression in polyvinyl siloxane was taken. Important is to visualize the impression to understand if the technician will be able to read clearly the finish line and the details of our preparation. The same transparent silicone index used for the previsualization was also used to create a direct temporary. After the light curing, the temporary can be refined with the fine diamond bars and Soflex discs. Upon the receipt of the final restoration, the temporary were removed and the teeth were cleaned. A dry double zero cord was also used to protect the sulcus from the resin cement infiltration. After the selection of the right cement shade, all the phases for an optimal adhesive cementation were followed in the way to obtain a perfect cementation: etching, cleaning of the veneers, etching the teeth with orthophosphoric acid, then signalization of the veneers, primer and bonding on the teeth, and bonding on the veneers. Normally the cementation starts from the two central incisor and will be followed from laterals, canine, and so on. During the cementation it's important to remove all the cement excess before the light curing. The use of photography is a great help to transfer all the information to the technician and obtain in this way a real mimetic restoration. 2 weeks after the cementation we can appreciate the health of the soft tissue and the mimetic result obtained. With this technique, the patient can be aware of the aesthetic outcome and can interact with the clinician during the treatment plan. Previsualization is crucial to provide extremely conservative preparation with calibrated and sufficient reduction to efficiently build the restoration. In addition, it serves as a guide for the technician during the fabrication of the final restoration. Thanks for your kind attention.